Let's suppose you have completed your class 12 from physics, chemistry, maths. Now in graduation, you have option to do honors from physics or chemistry or maths. There is a college who is giving permission only doing graduation from one subject. Either you can take physics or chemistry or maths. There is another college who is giving permission to do honors from two subjects. One honors, another extra. You can take, there is one chance, physics chemistry or physics maths, or you can take chemistry and maths. But there is another one college who is giving option, you can take all three subjects and you can do your graduation: physics, chemistry and maths. But there is also one chance that you can go to some other stream apart from graduation. So you no need to take do honors, no subject. So we can see the main set is physics, chemistry and maths. We have set of subjects physics, chemistry and maths, and here there are single subject, single sets, set of two subjects, so we can say all these, there are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All 8 sets are subset of the main set. How we will find that this is the subset of this main set? We have to first see, this is physics. Physics is available here, so this is subset of main set. Chemistry is available here, this is the subset of main set. Maths is available here. Physics and chemistry both available here. Physics, chemistry, maths all three available here. None. So none set is available in all set. Here also, in this set also, in this set also, and in this set also. Everywhere null set is available everywhere, so it is available here also. See, all the sets are the subset of this main set. Let's see another example. I have a main set, capital A, set of all 26 English alphabet. All 26 English alphabet. And another set of English alphabet but only vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And C is a set of all consonant: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, can we say this set B, all vowels, is a subset of A? Yes, because these three elements A, E, I, O, U, all 6 elements are available in set A. So we can say B is a subset of A. So how we represent subset? In this case, we will represent like P is a subset of A. where all element of B must be available in A. Now come to C. Here all consonant. Can we say C is a subset of B? Yes, because all element of C available in A, set A. So C is also subset of A. C is a subset of A because all element of C is available in A. Can we say C is a subset of B? No, because none of the element of C is available in B. And B is also not a subset of C. So in this way we represent sets and subsets. I hope this video will help you in this topic and I justified this topic. If you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for latest update.